Tactic number 17, your POV, your happy place. Most writers use the first or third point of view. There's some second point of view, and it can be interesting. The book, Beat the Bots, A Writer's Guide to Surviving and Thriving in the Age of AI, has a whole chapter on science-based reactions to point of view and worksheets and experiments about using it. What I'm going to invite you to do right now is experiment with point of view. I, for example, tend to prefer the first or third, and you'll see why in a minute. Think of a memory from when you were a kid, wherever you grew up. What was a memory? For me, I loved fall, and I loved tramping along those crinkly and crackly leaves. It was a happy time for me. I'd walk alone, and I'd think, and I'd plan and scheme and dream, and it was a wonderful time. I loved it. That's first person. You walk along the crinkling, crackling leaves. You walk alone. You think, you plan, you scheme, you dream. That's second person. Third, she walked along the crinkling, crackling leaves. She walked alone. She thought, she planned, she schemed, she dreamed. What did you learn? What did you discover? That's the question that we have to consider after experimenting with the difference. What I discovered is that I find first and third quite natural. Second felt a little judgmental to me. How am I to say what your favorite memory is and what it meant to you? So I'm going to stick with the first for intimacy, the third for multiple perspectives. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What was your memory? What did you learn about point of view based on that memory? I'd love to hear. I read all the comments below, but even better, record a video and upload it using the hashtag BeatTheBotsBook and tag me so I can amplify your voice, because your voice matters. Your voice matters, your stories matter, you matter. If you found your way to this video in any way other than the book, do take a look at it. And would you ask your local librarian to put it on the shelf? Would you ask your bookstore to stock it too? I'd be so grateful. Thank you.